I have to admit that I absolutely love Christmas. I think it's such a beautiful holiday. I love Christmas carols. I love the Christmas lights. And it's also a really, really great opportunity to make some money. Let's face it, Christmas is an important holiday and one that you can actually use to make money and in a good way, not in a creepy way. Okay. Anyway, so that was why I was so excited when my friend Alessandro came out with Christmas Empire. I'm going to tell you all about coming up my review of the Christmas Empire. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm one of the very few people that can pull successfully. Well, me, my boy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you are not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead because I make the same boring jokes every single time. I get it. They're boring. Hey, you know what? They're my jokes. I like them. So be it. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: review software and info products to make my online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. To make sure that you don't buy a bunch of crap.
What a load of crap.
Oh no, not another one. Do you know how many people have been harping up on about crap? There was Bart, and there was Newman from Seinfeld, and then that crazy guy who talks about loving crap, and now this person. Seriously, if you're new to the channel, the way things work here. If I like your project, I will give a tip on my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos about my mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. And I see Liz, she's the same thing all the time. I should get angry at her too, but hey, she's such a sweetheart. Who can get angry at such a person? Anyhow, but seriously, if you're on a mission, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop my videos. Thank you, subscribe. Doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Christmas Empire. This is my friend Alessandro. He's put together a package of 250 images, including several that are brand new, that were made with artificial intelligence. I'm going to show you some samples of them in just a moment. Basically, for $17, you get rights to all of these things. But of course, anybody who knows me knows that I am never satisfied with just giving you the basics. I'm going to give you so much more. And so I put together a mega bonus package with 25 different bonuses. If you're looking on YouTube, just click the link in the description. If you're on my website, you'll see the list down below. There can be 25 different bonuses. All of them come with full resale rights. So you can sell them, you can give them away, you can use them as your own bonus, do whatever you want. They are included as my mega bonus with this package of Christmas images. So let's go and check out some of the images. I started downloading them. I don't know what's finished downloading. Okay, looks like they're all downloaded. So let's go ahead and check this one out. Here's some Christmas photos. And let's go take a look. I'm taking a look together with you. So some very nice Christmas images here. Okay, that looks very tasty actually. All right, and you can see there's a whole bunch of them here. This is just one of the packs that you actually get included with the package. Here's another one, the Christmas Photos HQ. Okay, let's check this one out here. Here's more images, and I just downloaded a few things, by the way. You see your very nice images that you can use pretty much for whatever you want. They are all included for free with your package. And here's a graphics pack for Christmas. Okay, and these are actual like images that you can use for Christmas. And of course, again, you're going to get a mega pack of bonuses from me as well: articles, graphics, images, music, pretty much anything and everything you need in order to sell stuff for Christmas. So here's the members area, by the way. You can see it all here. Basically, there are memes. You have the graphics here, and there's also some bonuses here that are included from other people as well. So it's all going to be included with your package when you go ahead and pick up this package from Alessandro. Pretty basic, easy to do to start using them, and you have unlimited rights. As you can see here, that all these images come with completely unlimited rights. They can use them for whatever you need to use them for. So it's completely included for you with the package that you're going to be able to pick up from this. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to go ahead and give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you the man. Okay, I love Christmas. Like I said, it's a beautiful holiday. And I think that these are great. If you want to do any Christmas marketing, especially when combined with my bonus, this is going to get you going. Grab this, you're going to love it.